students, welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Max online class. I will see the chapter 8 statistics and probability. The exercise 8.2 coefficient of variations. Coefficient of variation, that is short name is CV, that equal to sigma divided by x bar into 100. What is meaning of sigma? That is standard deviation, and x bar is, that is mean, arithmetic mean. Therefore CV equal to sigma divided by x bar into 100. If the CV value is less, then the observation of x bar corresponding data are consistent. If the CV value is more, then the observation of corresponding data are inconsistent. First example, sum 8.15. The question: the mean of a data is 25.6 and its coefficient of variation is 18.75. Find the standard deviation. Solution: what is the given value? Mean of data, that is mean x bar equal to 25.6 and the coefficient of variation CV equal to 18.75. Now find the standard deviation, that is we write the formula CV equal to sigma divided by x bar into 100. Substitute the value of CV equal to 18.75, that equal to, we find the value standard deviation sigma divided by x bar equal to 25.6 into 100. Now simplify the value. 18.75 into 25.6, that equal to 480. 480 equal to sigma into 100. Therefore 480 divided by 100, that equal to 4.8. Standard deviation sigma equal to 4.8. Next example 8.16. The following table gives the value of mean and variance of height and weight of the 10th standard students of a school. The question: first given mean height 155 centimeter, weight 46.50 kg square, and variance 72.25 centimeter square, height weight 28.09 kg square, which is more varying than the other. Okay, first solution for comparing two data. First we find the coefficient of variations. Take first height value, therefore mean x1 bar, that equal to 155 centimeter, and variance means standard deviation square, therefore sigma 1 square equal to 72.25 centimeter square. Therefore standard deviation sigma 1 equal to 8.5. CV formula: CV equal to sigma 1 divided by x1 bar, that into 100. CV 1 equal to, we find the CV standard deviation means, that is 72.25, square root value is 8.5. okay, can you understand? 72.25, that is variance, taking square, that is a standard deviation, that is 8.5. Therefore CV1 equal to sigma 1 8.5 divided by, that is x bar 155 into 100 percentage, that equal to 8.5 divided by 155, that equal to 0.0548 into 100. Multiply the value of 0.0548 into 100, that equal to 5.48 percentage for height. Therefore that is mean 155, standard deviation 8.5 means first we find CV1 equal to a 5.48 percentage. Then second one, mean x2 bar, that equal to 46.50 kg, and variance sigma 2 square equal to 28.09 kg square. Variance equal to sigma 2 square, that equal to 28.09. Therefore we find the standard deviation. The standard deviation is that equal to variance square sigma square, taking square on variance, that equal to standard deviation sigma 2 equal to 5.3 kg. Now find the variance again data, variance coefficient of variance of second data. CV2 equal to sigma 2 divided by x2 bar into 100. Therefore CV2 equal to 5.3 sigma 2 value in divided by 46.50, that is x2 bar into 100. Therefore 5.3 divided by 46.5, that is we get answer is 0.1139, that is we get answer is 0.1139 into 100. Therefore we convert to 39 is extra, next value 7 means that is 0.1140 into 100, that is for weight, that is 11.40 percentage, that is weight. Therefore CV1 equal to 5.48 percentage and CV2 equal to 11.40 percentage. Since CV1 2 is greater than CV1, the weight of the student is more varying than the height. CV2 is greater than CV1, the weight of the weight is more varying than the height, weight is more varying than the height. Can you understand? Okay. Next example 8.17. The consumption of number of guava and orange on a particular week by a family are given below. Number of guavas 3, 5, 6, 4, 3, 5, 4. Number of oranges 1, 3, 7, 9, 2, 6, 2. Which fruit is consistently consumed by the family? What is the meaning of consistently? Coefficient of variation CV is less CV is consistently. Okay. Solution. First we find the coefficient of variation of for guavas and orange respectively. How many number of guavas? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore n equal to 7. First we find the average arithmetic mean, that is x. We take x1 bar, we add the value divided by 7, summation x divided by n, that is mean formula. Arithmetic mean x equal to summation x divided by n, sum of all number divided by how many number? 7, that equal to 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 3 21 plus 5 26 plus 4 30, that equal to n equal to 30. Sorry, n equal to 7, summation x that equal to 30, 30 by 7. Therefore what is answer is 4.29. Therefore x bar equal to x1 bar equal to mean x1 bar equal to 4.29. Now find the standard deviation. Standard deviation we find out first, that is using any one method. Now we'll use direct method. Direct method standard deviation sigma 1 that equal to root of summation x1 square divided by n minus summation x1 divided by n the whole square. That is direct method. Substitute the formulas. First we find we take the x value, that is x value is 3 5 6 4 3 5 4, that is x. We add the all value, that is summation x1 that equal to, already we add it, that is 30. Now next one we find the summation x square. Therefore we take the square on x value. Therefore 3 square is First one, yes, that is 9. What is the square of 5? Yes, that is 5 square 25. Next, 6 square 36. 4 square 16. What is the square of 3? That equal to 9. Next, square of 5 equal to, yes, that is 25. And last one, square of 4 equal to 16. Therefore x square value equal to 9, 25, 36, 16, 9, 25, 36. That is sum of all value, that is summation x square equal to, answer is 136. Okay, now we'll find the summation x square. Now substitute the value of summation x and summation x square. Therefore standard deviation sigma 1 equal to root of first summation x square value 136 divided by n value is 7 minus summation x value is 30, n value is 7 the whole square, that equal to 136 divided by 7. Now can cancel the value, that is we take root of 19.43 minus, we cancel the value 30 divided by 7 and then taking square, therefore we get the answer is minus 18.40. okay, now subtract the 19.43 minus 18.40, that equal to root of 1.03. Then take the next square root value. Therefore root of 1.03, we using logbook or long division method, anyone. Therefore we get the answer is sigma 1, standard deviation sigma 1 approximately 1.01. Now we'll find the coefficient of variation for GOVAs. CV1, that equal to sigma 1 divided by x1 bar into 100. Now what is sigma 1 value is 1.01 divided by arithmetic mean x1 bar equal to 4.29 into 100. Now simplify the value, 1.01 divided by 4.29 into 100, that equal to, we get the answer is 23.54 percentage. That is a coefficient of variation for GOVAs, that equal to 23.54 percentage. Next we find the coefficient of variation for oranges. So how many number of orange? That equal to 7, n equal to 7 oranges. Okay, first we find the arithmetic mean x1 x2 bar, that equal to, we add the number of oranges, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 9 20, 20 plus 2 22 plus 6 28 plus 2 30. Therefore summation x equal to 30. How many numbers? N equal to 7. x2 bar equal to summation x2 divided by n. Therefore 30 divided by n equal to 4.29. That is a number of oranges mean. Now find the next standard deviation sigma 2 equal to, that is using direct method. Therefore root of summation x I square divided by n minus summation xi divided by n the whole square. We put n equal I equal to 2 because second value. Therefore we draw the table. We take x value 1 3 7 9 2 6 2. Now find the value of square x square. Therefore 1 square means, it is 1 square, answer is 1. Yes. 3 square answer is 9. 7 square answer is 7 into 7 49. Next 9 square, 9 into 9 81. Next 2 into 2 4. Next 6 into 6 36, yes. 2 into 2 4, that is all value of x square. Now find the summation x, that is 30. Next, summation x square value that equal to, we add the value of x square, that is we get answer is 184, that is summation x square equal to 184. Now substitute the summation x and summation x square value in standard deviation. Sigma 2 equal to summation xi square, that equal to 184 divided by n value is 7, minus summation x equal to 30 divided by n value is 7 the whole square, that equal to, now simplify the value, 184 divided by 7, that equal to 26.29, minus 30 divided by 7, that equal to, now taking square, answer is minus 18.40. Now simplify the value, that is we get the answer is 26.29 minus 18.40, that is answer is 7.89. Now taking square root of 7.89, that equal to, that is answer is 2.81, yes, that is 2.81. Therefore standard deviation sigma 2 equal to 2.81, that is a standard deviation. Now find next coefficient of variation for oranges. CV2 formula, that equal to sigma 2 divided by x2 bar into 100 percentage, okay, that equal to, what is sigma 2 value, that is 2.81 divided by x2 bar value is 4.29 into 100. Now 2.81 divided by 4.29 into 100, simplify, now get the answer is 65.50 percentage, that is coefficient of variation for oranges, that equal to 65.50. Now find the consistent data. What is CV1, that equal to 23.54 percentage, and CV2 that equal to 65.50 percentage. Since which one is less value? Yes, CV1 is less than CV2. Then what is meaning of CV1 less than CV2 is, we can conclude that the consumption of guava is more consistent than orange, because guava CV is less valued. CV is less means that is more consistent, okay. Therefore CV1 less CV2, that is we can conclude that the consumption of guavas is more consistent than orange. Can you understand? Okay. Now I will give one homework sum, exercise 8.2 9th sum. This is model of example 8.7. This sum is model. The question is, the temperature of two cities A and B in a winter season are given below. The two table, first one temperature of city A in degree Celsius, second temperature of city B in degree Celsius. The data are 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. Second city temperature data is 11, 14, 15, 17 and 18. Find which city is more consistent in temperature changes. Okay, there is a question. Now first we take temperature of city A. We have find three value. First we find x bar. X bar means summation x by n. Second one we find the standard deviation. We using any one method, direct method or actual mean method or assumed mean method or step deviation method. Use any one method, find the standard deviation sigma value, and then we find the CV1, that is temperature of city A. Second part, temperature of city B, that's also we find three value. First one we find x bar, second one standard deviation, third one CV2. Okay, we find mean, standard deviation and CV, and then which CV is less, that is a more consistent. Okay, can you understand? Exercise 8.2, first one, the standard deviation and mean of a data are 6.5 and 12.5 respectively. Find the coefficient of variation. What is the solution? The given value is standard deviation and mean. We take standard deviation is sigma, that equal to 6.5, and the mean is x bar equal to 12.5. Okay, what is the find value? That is coefficient of variation, that is CV equal to, what is the formula? Sigma divided by x bar into 100. CV formula is sigma divided by x bar into 100. Okay, now substitute the values. Sigma value 6.5, x bar is 12.5 into 100. 6.5 divided by 12.5 into 100, CV equal to, now simplify the value, 6.5, that equal to, we convert to the fraction value 13 by 2, next divided by 12.5, we convert to the 25 divided by 2, that equal to 13 by 2, change the reciprocal value, that equal 2 by 25 into 100. Okay, 2 is cancel, 125 25 425 100. Yes, that is remaining 13 into 4. Then what is answer is 13 into 4, that is 52. That equal to CV equal to 52 percentage. Can you understand? That is CV equal to 52 percentage. Question number 2, the standard deviation and coefficient of variation of the data are 1.2 and 25.6 respectively. Find the value of mean. Okay, solution, what is the given value is standard deviation and coefficient of variation. Standard deviation symbol is sigma, that equal to, answer is 1.2. next, coefficient of variation CV equal to 25.6. now write the formula of CV, that equal to sigma divided by x bar into 100. substitute the all values. First CV value is 25.6, that equal to sigma value is 1.2 divided by x bar into 100. We simplify the value. First, cross multiplying the value, x bar equal to 1.2 into 100, that equal to 120 divided by 25.6. now simplify, 120 is divided by 25.6, that is we get answer is x bar equal to 4.69. therefore the mean value x bar equal to 4.69. can you understand? Okay, third question, if the mean and coefficient of variation of a data are 15 and 48 respectively, then find the value of standard deviation. First we take given value, solution, given mean and coefficient of variation, therefore the mean equal to x bar, that equal to 15, and CV means coefficient of variation, that equal to 48. and what is the find out value? Find the value of standard deviation. Okay, now write the formula CV equal to sigma divided by x bar into 100. Okay, now substitute the value. CV value is 48, that equal to sigma divided by x bar value is 15 into 100. Okay, now simplify. Cross multiplying value 48 into 15 divided by 100, that equal to 48 into 15 720 divided by 100, 0 is cancelled. 72 divided by 10, that equal to 7.2. Therefore standard deviation sigma equal to 7.2. Can you understand? Okay, today homework is exercise 8.2 ninth sum. Already we'll explain. Okay, thank you. We'll see you next class.